And boom, that's how you place a trade. Easy.
Everyone, how's it going? It's your girl DJ, and you are back here trading with DJ. So today it's going to be amazing. I'm going to drop some major tips for y'all, for my people who has been struggling with finding a strategy, struggling with finding an indicator that's going to work for them. I'm going to show you how you can trade with no indicators. You don't need indicators if you're not able to find one that works for you. However, you need confirmation. So you're going to have to find the confirmations in different ways. But what I'm going to show you today is how to catch zones, how to trade off of just patterns, how to trade with the trend. So here we have USD JPY, right? The US dollar versus the Japanese yen. So when you're looking at the market, first you want to look at the chart on a higher time frame. So first we're going to look at the 4 hour, right? We're looking at the 4 hour, seeing what the market is doing long term, right? Meaning that if we're on a 4 hour time frame, that means each of these candles are 4 hours, right? So we notice this pattern that's going on here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mark the support, and then I'm going to put one at the resistance, right? You need 3 touches. So now that we established that, now we're going to go on the smaller time frame, 1 hour, right? So what do we notice on the 1 hour? We notice that the market touches in similar areas, right? So it went up, it touched here, and it dropped. And then it went back up, touched here again. So basically it did what it already did, right? I'm telling you guys, the market just repeats itself. Even when it came down here, right, this big jump before it did it, it touched here. It didn't touch here again, but it came pretty close, created a W, double bottom, and then it went back up and it came back down to the same area. So now guess what's going to happen again? What's going to happen is now the market's going to go up, right? I'm going to show you. So the next move that's going to happen is it's going to consolidate a little bit, and then it's going to go up, right? So until it breaks out, it's going to continue to consolidate. Notice what the market did here. Notice that the market just dropped, consolidated, went up here, right? Dropped again, went up, dropped again. Guess what's going to happen next? It's going to go up, right? It's basically doing what it already did, right? So we were expecting the market to break out. So when that happens, you're going to position yourself to catch the move, right? Notice this is called a triple bottom, right? So if we're going to move this right here, it's just like having a W, right? The moment the market comes out through this area right here, we already know it's going to continue to go up. It's going to break up and it's going to continue. And then we're going to just keep buying, because also we have a W here. As you can see, this double bottom here, right? So we have this triple bottom. And now we're going to go on a smaller time frame, which is the 15 minutes. And that's where you'll find your entry to enter in the market. So let's say we have this double bottom right here, right? Let's say we have this double bottom, and basically we're going to mark up, so we can get our entry. We're going to be here, this piece right here, right? So what we're going to expect to happen is that the market's going to go up. So if the market comes out and sticks out above here, we're going to buy. And in any cases, if it breaks and comes out below, right? If it comes out below, we have confirmation to sell. Literally. Easy as 1, 2, 3. 4 hour, right? You see what it's doing. What trend is it on? First, you want to look at what trend is the market on. Then we got the 1 hour, which is where you see it on a deeper level. And this is where you really mark up to find your entry. And then on the 15 minutes is where you enter the market and catch you some pips. All right. So let's say the market jumps up. Let's count how many pips we're going to catch here. 75 pips. So depending on your lot size, that's what you're gonna make. 70 pips times $1 per pip. That's $70, right? $70. Let's say 70 pips times $10, $700. Let's say 70 pips times 0.01. That's $7. That's what you made that you didn't have. Be grateful. Don't try to get rich in one night. It's not gonna happen. This is not what this is, right? So, boom, 3 different time frames: 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes. Enter. Boom. That's the juice. So try it. Let me know how it goes. I look forward to hearing from you, and definitely look forward to the next video that I'm going to drop. It's going to be amazing. I'm just going to keep dropping the fire for y'all. So keep tuning in. Let me know how it goes. This is Trading with the Trend and Trading with No Indicators. All right. Have a great one, guys. So basically, this is what the market did the next day, basically 10 hours after, on the 1 hour and the 4 hour. So you can see it did what we predicted.